Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr. Moorthy, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of engineering drawings. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the entire syllabus of engineering drawings. And in the last video, we have discussed about the basic introduction about engineering diagram and what are the standards we have to follow and how to represent the dimension and letters and other parameter. And in this video we are going to discuss about the projection of point, how we are going to project a point in the quadrant, and its different views like front and top views, and how to represent the points in the different quadrant. And first we have to know what is a projection. A projection is the image formed on a reference plane when light is shown perpendicularly on the object. So it is the way of representing the front and top views of the particular point or image, and it should be followed in the different plane like horizontal plane, vertical plane. In the first angle projection, in the object is placed in the first quadrant and the front view is represented in the top views, and like in the top view of the object, line is or line object or point is represented in the horizontal plane. So first, the coordinate system of engineering drawing. As I said earlier, we have a different principal plane like horizontal plane, vertical plane. It represents, the horizontal plane represents the top view orientation, and the vertical plane it represents the front view orientation. It is only for the first angle projection. In the for the reference line, the XY line, it is the intersection where HP and VP meet, and it act as a reference plane. In the quadrant, the horizontal plane, vertical plane divided in the three-dimensional space, and it is having the four distinct quadrant: first quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. And the basics of the quadrant is: the first quadrant, it is yeah, second, each quadrant is divided based on the different planes called horizontal and vertical plane. The first quadrant, it is located in the above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. In the For the second quadrant, it is above horizontal plane, behind vertical plane, and where the third quadrant, it is the below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. Likewise, for the fourth quadrant, it is below horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. And the projection notation, like it is here, the first quadrant is above HP, in front of VP. Similarly, second and third quadrant. And here the object point, it is represented in the A, and the front view, the projection of vertical plane, generally it is represented in the dash, that is A dash, B dash, C dash. And the top view we can mention like 1 2 3 likewise. And the projection of the quadrant 1, the first it is above HP and in front of VP, and the front view of the projection is in the top view. I mean the horizontal vertical plane, and the top view is represented in the horizontal plane. So here we have first quadrant. We have the point called P, and the front view of the point P is represented in the vertical plane, and the top is mentioned in the horizontal plane. So here we have the front view called P dash, and the top view is mentioned in the horizontal plane. And the second quadrant, likewise, the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, it is above HP and behind VP. And in the first XY line, the front projection remain above reference line on the vertical plane, and for the top view, it is in the reference line. And then projection of third quadrant. So this is the example. Here we have it is below HP and behind VP. And the fourth quadrant, it is below HP and in front of VP. And likewise, we have different things. It is we have to know in the projection of points, and where the point is placed, whether it is a first quadrant, second or third and fourth quadrant. So based on the things we are having above HP, it represents with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane. We have to locate the point accordingly. and based on the reference line above or below, and the front or top view. On the front view, it is represented with the help of the notation called A dash or B dash C dash. And for top view, we can use A1, A2, A3, or simply AB or like that, right? Thank you.